Anyone with JSON or XML RPG can connect the ERP. But what makes a reliable and controlled connection? How do you make your ERP compatible with other softwares? So that I would like to showcase you a API framework for your Odoo ERP ecosystem, which is equipped with trending API technologies of new generation. Obviously, everything these are for making your ERP powerful. Good morning, business leaders and my esteemed developer friends. I am Anand Shukla, the founder of EKIKA Corporation, and today I am excited to take you through a comprehensive overview of our API bundle. Let's dive right into the core component of any API. There are four essential aspects that we will be covering today. First one is API responses. Second one is authentication. Third one is authorization. And fourth one is documentation for developers, obviously. You can buy this API framework bundle from Odoo App Store. Also, you can contact us on ekika.co. Here is the WhatsApp and contact number. You can reach us via contact us, and for any kind of support, just reach out to us using support tickets. Let's jump into Odoo and different app of this bundle. So the base thing of this API framework is from Odoo API base. On top of Odoo API base, there are two types of GraphQL and JsonAPI. These two types of API response types. And we have authentication, basic authentication, key based, auth 2 and user based authentication. Also there is a resource access, personalized resource access. These all things are bundled in API framework this app. DB mapper is useful when you have multiple databases and you do not want to maintain with NGX or using the proxy server, and instead you want to maintain it with Odoo itself, define the mapping of database from URL. In that case, this module will be helpful. There are utilities in this module and few optimizing widgets are there. Now let's jump to Odoo. After installing all these modules, you will find this type of view where you can define your API name, address you want to serve your API. You can choose the protocol and authentication, access control. Once you decided everything, you can open. Once it is open, you can see the GraphQL documentation should be generated. This is based on this GraphQL introspection. You can define the authentication and invoking users. You can define the API key based on expiration time in such a way this API key will be generated. You can allow the client developer or the developer to access the log without giving the SSH access to the system. So while development, if any error or some minor errors, you will admin or the managing person will not be disturbed, and client developer can directly go through the error and identify the things. You can define the API manager based on your operational procedure, and This is page length. When default GET or search requests are followed, how much data you want to retrieve in each API call when not specified. There is debug mode support. So while you do not understand while making API calls, you want to need detailed information. In this case, verbose errors and debug mode will be helpful for you. For example, let we try one GraphQL with RES partner contact record. Okay, I want to fetch the name of contact and is it a company or not. Name is company, and I can call it directly, so I can fetch the data the right way. More detail on this documentation, you can find it in each module's information. Let's say GraphQL API module info, and you will have all the information provided here. So that is all about GraphQL. Now let me move towards one of the JSON API. So let's say let me open the existing JSON API. You can use this JSON API URL maker to call something like you want to access the model contact, you want to fetch the name field, and you want to fetch this company. Okay, so this URL is generated, so you can use the URL directly and provide your provided authentication, and that's it. For documentation, just you have to choose the models which you want to access right now. Once you select the model, you will have all the information whatever available based on the Open API documentation specification. For same way, for more details on JSON API, you can access using this module info, and more video tutorials are coming. Obviously, we are there. Whenever you require any help, just reach us on our contact us page. Thank you.